In the previous GraphQL video that I made, I had recommended using Postman to query your GraphQL API. For the last year, I've been using something called Insomnia, personally at home and also at work. At work, we have the paid version, but at home, I just use the free version. And it's quite good. Just the free version is actually quite good. Now, certainly you can use Postman, like I said earlier, and you can use the Apollo Studio, like I have here. But I found that the free version of Insomnia is actually quite elegant. And if you want to upgrade to the personal $5 a month plan, you have more options. Now, to be completely transparent, I am not an Insomnia employee. I don't work for them. I'm not associated with them in any way. I just think that they have a great product. So, just a basic demo, I have a GraphQL server running on port 4000. And let's just do a mutation here. Let's just do YouTube demo 3, send the mutation, okay? And then let's query to make sure that YouTube 3 is there in the query. As you can see, it's in the DB there. And yeah, I mean, the user interface is much more elegant than Postman, and it's just your normal GraphQL stuff, but the tool is just an elegant tool, and you can double click on it to rename it, blah blah blah. You also have the option of right click on it and renaming it. You have the option to prettify things here, and it also offers you the IntelliSense, which is phenomenal. And then you can document, if you document on the server side, then you get the docs here. Okay, again, I don't work for these people. They just have a great tool, and I think that you should be aware of it, especially the free version of it. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and if you like Insomnia, please give them your support. Thank you. Bye-bye.